students. We'll start with the new chapter today. That is chapter number 6, triangles. This is one of the most important chapter, and if you observe the weightage of this chapter is also greater. So let us start with the basic things, then we'll come with the topic, that is the triangles. So let's start with the similar figures. So what are the similar figures? So similar, we understand the meaning of this. We know that similar, that means जो equal है. But in the terms of maths, similar मतलब those who are looking almost same. So in the terms of maths, how we can simplify the similar figures? So here you can see that the few figures I'll draw here. Here you can see that in this first figure, if I give the figure number A, you can see there are 3 circles which I draw. In the figure B, you can see that the 2 squares are there. And in the figure C, you can see that 2 triangles are there. So let us understand why we use or what are the similar figures. Similar figures क्या होता है? So we should remember, we discussed in the 9th standard about the congruent figures. हमने congruent diagrams समझ लिए. So now let us recall this. What are the similar figures? Similar figures क्या होता है? So you can see that when you can see these 3 circles, they are considered as similar figures. The reason, when you put one circle over the other, like this. So when you put one circle over the other, you can see that here the distance remain will be same from all the sides. We'll come to the definition of similar figures, but let us understand what are meaning similar figures in this diagram. Second number, you can see, suppose it is a square which has a length 5 centimeter, all the sides. You can see that another interior figure is also the square. Suppose it has a length of 3 centimeter. So we can consider this square, the smaller one and the larger one, are similar figures. Why they are similar figures? So here we'll have the 2 things to understand for the similar figures. In a polygon we are discussing. See, here in a circle there are n number of sides, which is quite complicated to understand, but let us understand by this. It's a polygon, square. In a polygon, certain polygon, you can see that the sides. So if you observe the sides of this larger square and the side of the smaller square, so they are 5 by 3, 5 by 3, or we can say they are in the same ratio. All the sides are in the same ratio. So sides are in same ratio. Instead of same ratio, we can say they are also in proportion. I am talking about the sides. One more thing, there is one more condition we have to understand about the angles. When we talk about the polygons, we have to look at the angles also. Now look at all the angles of this larger square. All are right angle, and the smaller square, yes, they are also right angle. So here the second is angles are equal, or we can say congruent. That we cannot discuss here for the circle, as they do not have the sides and angles. Let's come to this triangle. The triangle ABC, we can see here all the angles are 60, 60, 60. So we can say it is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Let us give the sides are 6, 6 and 6 centimeter. The another triangle which we have DEF, it is also an equilateral triangle with the same measurement 60. But here you can see that sides are smaller than that, so it is 2, 2, 2. It is also an equilateral triangle. So whenever we talk about the equilateral triangle, we are absolutely clear that all the sides are equal as well as the angles are equal. यहाँ पे भी all sides are same, angles are same. But when we talk about this two figure, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF, तो हम यहाँ पे ये दो कंडीशंस फुलफिल कर रहे हैं. देखो, sides are in same ratio, मतलब 6/2, 6/2, 6/2, and angles are equal. They are of the same measurement. So here we can say that all the circles are similar figures, squares are similar figures, as well as equilateral triangles are similar figures. We can't say the same for all the types of triangles. We'll understand this example, but I hope you understand what are the similar figures. Again, when we can say they are similar figures in such a polygons, the sides, we'll use a proper word for this, but that will come later on. Sides are in same ratio and angles are equal measures. So we can say that the given polygons or the figures are similar figures. Let's see few examples, the figures which are non-similar. So in the previous we discussed that the two conditions, that the sides are in equal proportion or same ratio and angles are equal, congruent. Now look at this two diagram we have. Again we have the three diagrams or comparison of the similar A, B and C. In the figure first, there are two figures are given. You can see this is a rectangle and this is a square. So here the second condition fulfill, that all the angles are equal. That means in a rectangle as well as square, all angles are 90 degree. But look at the first condition, are the sides in same ratio? तो यहाँ पे देखो 5/2, फिर 2/2, 5/2 and 2/2. So here the sides are not in the same ratio. So we can say that a rectangle and a square or square and a rectangle, they cannot be the similar figures. Even we should remember that the rectangle and another rectangle cannot be the similar figure. एक rectangle, let me compare this rectangle with the another rectangle. I'll take this 6, this is 2, this is 6 and this is 2. Now if I compare this rectangle and this rectangle, so again we can say that they do not have the same ratio of the sides. 5/6, 2/2, 5/6 and 2/2. So again we can say that all the squares are of the similar figure. They are the examples of the similar figure. But rectangles are not the examples of the similar figures. You should remember this. So we can give the non-similar figures a rectangle, square as well as the two rectangles with the different measurement. Remember this. Okay. Let's come to one more figures. Here again we have the two different quadrilaterals. Now look at into the quadrilaterals. Angle A is same as angle P, B is same as Q, that is 100. C is same as R and D is same as S. As angles are equal, but now look at the sides. 4/3. You can, it's not compulsory आपको AB के साथ PQ ही करना है. You can go for any of this. आप किसी के साथ भी रेशियो ले सकते हो. आप AB के साथ PQ का रेशियो ले सकते हो. हमें सिमिलर फिगर्स बताने के लिए हम आगे पढ़ेंगे कि हम सिमिलर फिगर्स, ये चैप्टर में हमें सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स पढ़ना है. बट फॉर दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द सिमिलर फिगर्स. तो वी आर डिस्कसिंग द सिमिलर फिगर्स. सिमिलर फिगर्स के दो कंडीशन से जैसा पढ़ा कि ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल, दोनों फिगर्स के एंगल्स सेम होने चाहिए. दूसरा साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन में होने चाहिए. सो हियर आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द वर्ड करस्पॉन्डिंग, मतलब AB के साथ PQ करस्पॉन्ड्स अगर करना है, that again we'll discuss when we डिफाइन द सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, हम अच्छे से डिस्कस करेंगे इसको। मगर देखो यहाँ पे कोई भी दो साइड का आप रेशियो लो तो कभी भी सेम नहीं आएगा। अगर मैं 4/3 लू तो बाकी कोई भी साइड्स 4/3 नहीं आ रहा है, अगर 4/7 लू तो किसी का भी रेशियो 4/7 नहीं आ रहा है। So what it says, again these two are not similar figures, so they are non-similar figures. Sides ratios में नहीं है। Again let's come to this. This is an equilateral triangle and this is a right angle triangle. तो यहाँ पे sides ना proportion में आ रहे हैं, ना angles proportion में आ रहे हैं। So again we can consider that it is not an equilateral, that means similar figures. हम आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल को भी ले सकते हैं इफ यू वांट टू टेक दिस 5 एंड वी कैन गो फॉर 6. सो अगेन वी कैन से दैट दिस 2 और दिस 2 दे आर नॉट सिमिलर फिगर्स. सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स दैट व्हाट आर द नॉन सिमिलर फिगर्स एंड व्हाट आर द सिमिलर फिगर्स. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस we'll move towards the first exercise. Let's see this. We have to fill up by using this options. So as we discussed earlier also, all circles are, see the circles when they become congruent if they are of the same radius. Same radius के circles congruent होते हैं, but सारे circles same radius के नहीं होते. So here we can see that all circles are similar. So here the answer comes similar. Next, all squares are. So again the same thing. If the squares have equal length, मतलब दो अलग अलग स्क्वायर के साइड्स इक्वल हैं, तब जाके वो सिमिलर कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर्स होंगे. मगर हम सारे स्क्वायर्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो अगेन दे आर सिमिलर फिगर्स. लेट्स द थर्ड वन, टू पॉलीगॉन्स ऑफ द सेम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर, मतलब दो ट्राइंगल्स हैं, दो स्क्वायर्स हैं, पेंटागॉन्स है, हेक्सागॉन्स है, विच हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. वो सिमिलर होंगे कब? इफ यू रिमेंबर हमने दो कंडीशंस बताए थे. देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, एंगल्स कैसे होंगे? यस, एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो वी कैन से द एंगल्स मस्ट बी इक्वल एंड द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इन proportion. So we should remember this. So on the basis of this, the last two conditions, the whole chapter is based. That we'll discuss later. Let's see the second number. We have to give the two different examples of similar figures. So we can say the two circles, as we discussed earlier also, they are of similar figures. Squares also, they are also of similar figures. And we can say two equilateral triangles also. It's not only two, but we can say all the circles, all the squares. Instead of two, we can write that also. All circles, all squares, and all equilateral triangle. They all are similar figures. Now the next we have to give the answer of non-similar figures. So we can give the first example, rectangle and a square. As we discussed earlier, they are non-similar figures. One more we can give, a right angle triangle, a right angle triangle, and an isosceles triangle. This is another example. We can write many more examples, but that is fine. So in non-similar figures many examples are there, but fine. This is the answer. Let's see the last question. We have to state whether the given two quadrilaters are similar or not. So again we recall the definition of similar figures, that two conditions are there. The corresponding sides are equal. The corresponding sides are proportion and corresponding angles are equal. So now look at the sides. You can see that it's 1.5 and 3. So if we look at the sides, the ratio of the sides, So 1.5 upon 3 or 3 by 1.5, आपको जो करना है, both are fine. But as we have taken this side first, so obviously in the second we have to go for the same. But if we do the ratio, it comes 15 by 13, so 1 by 2. So look at this ratio sides. हमने PS और AD का ratio किया 1 by 2 आया. That is equals to PS upon AD. Now look at the ratio of all the sides. That is PQ upon AB. That also 1.5 upon 3. तो आएगा 1 by 2. Look at QR and BC. That also comes 1.5 by 3. That is 1 by 2. And look at the last one. That is SR and CD. That also come the same value. So here we can say that PQ upon AB is same as QR upon BC, is same as SR upon CD, is same as PS upon AB. So this we can say that it fulfills the first condition, that all the sides are in same ratio. हर एक sides के ratio same है. Now when we go for the second condition, both the conditions supposed to be fulfilled. Now look at all the angles, the measure of the angles are not given. So we can say that it is a rhombus, cannot be the square, because we cannot find out it's a right angle. But look at here that all the angles in ABCD, they are right angles. So we can say that the angles are not equal. Angles proportion में हो सकते हैं. We are not bothered with it. हमें देखना है कि सारे corresponding angles same होने चाहिए. But here we can clearly see from the diagram the angles are not right angle, and here all the angles are right angle. So we can say that the given figures are not similar. They are non-similar figures. I hope students you are understanding the difference between the similar and non-similar figures.